Here's the harsh reality of 2026. Your degree alone is no longer enough. Millions are competing for opportunities, but the market has already changed. The work that takes people hours, AI now completes in seconds. The future belongs to finance professionals who combine business knowledge with AI. Today's companies don't just need accountants, they need finance professionals who can work with AI. AI-enabled finance is transforming the way global companies make decisions. You don't need to become a programmer, you need to become an AI-enabled finance expert. When you upgrade your skills, your career value grows far beyond your degree. Ready to build your future in AI-powered finance? Learn practical Oracle and AI skills with BS trainings and keep growing with free tutorials on the BS Solutions YouTube channel.